Peace everybody, what's up? I'm headed down to the Lynnwood Municipal Court for a red light ticket I got like 3 months ago. It's been a long time. I've been waiting to go to this court hearing. So one of the things that I'm bringing with me is a copy of the RCW. As you can see, is the weapons prohibited in certain places. Right here, any building with court proceedings. However, not the common areas of ingress and egress. And this is the law that states that they're required to have a stationary lockbox.
Today was that I'm always going to be a playboy. Hold on. Mom, let's... Okay. Well, don't call me back. Don't call me back. Fuck me, bitch. Oh, sorry, man. Yeah, you're the 5-0. I didn't even know you was the 5-0.
I'm not a cop.
You're not? Oh. All right. Yeah, man, I was cursing. I shouldn't be cursing like that.
It's all good.
My mom. You have a good day today.
You too.
God bless the children.
That was nothing short of interesting.
I've called that 5 times since then. They did call, they said they called me once, but they ended the message.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Why, thank you. Mr. Bibba?
I heard you were work back there.
Yes, I need a lockbox for my
Yeah,
firearm.
so he,
For what purpose?
confusion
I have
existed
court.
because he
We
called
don't
that
normally
one
supply
company, his
lockboxes
parents
for
didn't agree
court.
to sign with them, they
Oh.
were going through me, so they're
Are
like,
you-
no,
do you have it on
we
your
can
person?
go ahead and
Yeah, it's right here.
just hit it.
I thought it was kind of odd because she's calling Brandon.
Well, let me see what you do.
Yes.
No, I know,
Yeah.
it was, so let me ask.
Yeah, I was a little bit confused. I thought, okay, whatever.
Yeah,
I
I
asked, I went back now.
Okay, thanks for waiting.
No problem.
Can I get your ID and then we'll go ahead and let you do the lockbox.
I don't have ID.
You don't have ID?
Hmm.
Do you have a CPL?
Yes, but I'm not still carrying.
I know that, but do you have a CPL?
I do.
Do you have
Not-
that with you?
I don't have it on me now.
No ID, no nothing?
Okay,
Let me find out.
Okay.
that's his receipt. You know, 29.
Okay, I can't take it without having some sort of ID from you.
Yeah, me,
Well, I
guess,
have
comes up on 28 of this.
This. That's the actual law. It doesn't require me to have ID. So I don't understand.
Well, we have to have ID because what if you had stolen a gun and left it there? We wouldn't know who left it.
Are you to assume that I stole the gun?
I mean, I moved.
No, you know what I'm saying.
Well,
Don't even.
I missed the properties. I missed it. So I'm gonna go talk about that there for a while.
For you. Yeah, well, my sister Michelle retired a couple years ago. She's in Monterey. She hated it up here, all this rain.
Yeah, me too. Fitty thing because of kids and stuff. I might buy a place down in Arizona just as a base of operations, but I've still got property on Guam. I'll go out there.
Oh, look at you.
I lived in Micronesia for a year on Yap Island, so
get some of those islands again.
Oh,
Just
fabulous.
wow.
Well, do it now. Do it before.
Yeah,
I know.
before I get
Yeah.
to the point that I can't.
Yeah.
Okay, so
All right, thanks so
you can
much.
have this back. We're fully aware of that, but we require picture ID identification
All right, thanks so much.
in order
Okay,
for us
take
to
care.
put this into one of our lock boxes.
Oh, so what am I
Okay.
supposed to do?
So show us some picture ID, and we would be glad to take that and provide you with a lockbox and a key.
But I'm not legally required to have
You are
ID.
required to do that because that is what we have established for us to turn over any of our property to an individual, which is what we would be doing.
Okay.
So that is why we need picture ID, so that when we give you the key for you to be able to get your weapon back, we have to have picture ID. Because if you walk out of here with that key, that causes a huge financial burden for us, because then we have to rekey all of the lock boxes.
Okay.
So, make sense? I mean, we've done this before for individuals.
All right.
And it's never really been a problem.
Okay. Well, I
So-
didn't bring ID because I didn't see any law that required me to have
There
it.
may not be a law that requires you to do so, but for a lot of places, they're not going to turn over any of their property to someone without doing the exchange for the identification.
Okay.
So we refuse to provide for people that show up with knives or things like that. But
Yeah.
when it comes to a weapon, yes, we have a lockbox, but because there's an expense associated with it, and particularly because we would be giving you the key to the lockbox, we have to have identification.
All right.
So if you
And
have,
there's no, I'm not secretly going to get background checked because I'm turning in a
no, background
firearm.
checks require individuals to have, just so you know, for your own benefit, they have to have an actual legitimate reason to conduct a background check.
Okay.
Background checks are actually done based upon individuals' fingerprints. If they run someone's name, they're simply looking for wants and warrants.
Okay. All right.
So-
Well,
And
I'll
that's
be
a
back then.
common thing. Even if even if you get stopped on the street and you don't have ID, and the officer says, "Well, what's your name and date of birth?" What they're looking for is they're making sure you don't have a warrant.
Yeah.
It's not an actual background into someone's criminal history. It doesn't give them any of that information. It just tells them whether or not there's a warrant out for your arrest.
Okay.
Okay? So yeah, come back with your identification. We'd be glad to assist you with
All right.
that.
Okay, well, I was really hoping to not have to use my ID, but it looks like I'm going to have to. Oh, well, I have my ID.
Oh, okay.
It was just in the car.
Okay. I'll need a copy of it, so you need to take it out. Do you have a driver's license? Thank you. We don't even have to take it. Nope, we're going to take this. Run it. Okay, here you go. So we're going to keep this. You're going to get this. Lockbox on the wall, number 4.
Thank you. There's a gun in it.
Alright. This shouldn't be. Unless one of them's got a duplicate. No, not really. It's just going to depend. Because these are extra keys that we keep up front.
I see.
There you go. Number 3 is empty. There's the key. Oh, I see why. Oh, Lori, can you let me in? Yes, that's the jail commander's box. If I looked at this, I would have known that. I didn't realize on the 4th it was negative.
just briefly looked at the report. So the original report was a delivery from your storage unit of your things.
My things, her storage unit.
Right, so
Storage
your
unit.
things out of her
Yeah.
storage unit.
Storage unit was in my name.
Okay.
First off, it's
Okay, and so what is this?
This is what they told me to do, incident report and stuff that was stolen.
So this is additional things
Thank you.
that were
Yeah.
stolen.
Yeah.
Okay.